Hello friends, today we will learn the noun. The noun is the name of a person, place, animal or anything. So today we will learn first noun, the common noun. Okay. The common noun words like man, village, teacher and cow are the common names for common noun of a person, place, thing or animal. Like, so let's take one example. My father is a doctor. Okay, so father and the doctor are the common nouns. Let's learn another example. We will visit zoo tomorrow. So the zoo is a place, so it is a common noun. I like to eat apples and kiwis. So here the apples and kiwis are our common nouns. Let's learn some more examples with arrange the common nouns with their proper groups. So here are the book, school, postman, city, salt, friend, fish, girl, parrot, driver, temple, potato, cow, garden, donkey and biscuit. Okay. So our first one is a book. So book is a thing. So it will go with the thing. Okay. The next one is a school. Okay, the school is a place, so it will go with the place. The postman is a person. Okay, so the postman is go in a person group. City is also a place, so it will go in places group. Salt is a one kind of thing, so it will go in thing. Friend is a person, so it will go in person group. Fish, so fish is an animal, so it will go in animal group. Girl is also in a person group. Parrot in an animal, so it will go with the animal group. Driver is a person. Temple is a place. Potato is one kind of thing, so it will go in thing group. Cow is an animal. Garden is a place. Donkey is an animal. And a biscuit is one kind of thing, so it will go in thing group. Okay, so we learn the proper group with their proper examples, like a person group, a postman, friend, girl, driver. In a places like a school, city, temple, garden. In animal group, fish, parrot, cow, donkey. In a thing group, book, salt, potato, biscuits. Okay, so let's learn some more examples, like the girl eats an apple. Okay, so in this sentence, the girl and an apple is our common noun. Okay, Let's learn some more example. The cow eats the grass. So the cow and the grass are our common nouns. Let's take one more example. My mother works in an office. Okay, so here my mother and an office is our common noun. Okay, so today we will learn the common noun. We will learn uh, another noun in next video. Thank you.